Mitch here. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time being here, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe down below. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for the support. I appreciate it to the moon and back. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this beautiful passion twist hairstyle. That was my first time doing it and I'm super excited and happy as to how it turned out. So yeah, if you're interested, stay tuned and I am going to show you guys how I did it. Okay guys, let's hop into the video. Hey guys, so the products I used to do this, I used some Shining Jam Magic Finger Gel, some rubber bands of course, some passion twist hair that I will have linked below, and of course I use a crochet needle. You need a rat tail comb and some clips, and I use my edge control to do my edges and an edge brush. Hey guys, so starting off, I'm going to complete the parting of my hair. So I am doing the rubber band and the crochet method for this hairstyle because that is what's easiest for me. So I'm going to complete parting my hair. I'm not the best at parting hair, so bear with me on this. So now you basically see me kind of line up the part, and I'm going to go in with the Shining Jam and kind of put that on the root or the base of my hair where the part is to help smooth it out and make the part as sharp as I possibly can. Is I guess clean enough to my liking, I'm going to clip the rest of my hair out of my way, and then I'm going to go in with a comb and part that furthermore in two, and then I'm going to tie those pieces of hair up with some rubber bands. And this is basically how I part and section off all of my hair. So 50 years later, I'm finally done parting my hair, and collectively I have about 43 parts in my hair, and it literally took me 2 hours to part my hair. I don't know if that's a long time for anybody else, but that's a long time for me. But guys, I am so bad at parting hair, but I really tried my best. Okay guys, moving on to how I actually installed the twist. So I'm just going to make sure that my hair is detangled, and then I'm going to take my passion twist hair. I use 2 strands and I'm basically ensuring that they are even at the ends. So that's what you see me doing here. And then now I'm going to wrap the hair over my finger and grab my crochet needle, and I am going to put the needle through the root of my hair, and then open the latch, then attach the crochet hair into the needle, and then after that I'm going to close the latch and pull the hair and the needle through. Not all the way, just a little. And then I'm going to put my finger between where the latch is, open it and put my finger there so that I can create a hole. And then once that is open, I am going to pull my hair and the rest of the crochet hair through because I'm making a knot, right? And then I'm going to pull it to kind of tighten it at the root. So essentially, the purpose of making this knot at the root is to try and hide the rubber band as much as possible. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and kind of separate the crochet hair a bit just to, I guess, fluff it out. My intentions of doing this was to make the hair or the style a bit more fluffy and not as precise. So that's why I did this. I honestly don't know if it worked or not, or if it just wasted my time, but that was my rationale behind it. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to go in with the Shining Jam again, and I am going to put this on my actual hair, particularly on the ends. And the reason for me doing this is to try and help my hair to to stick and blend with the passion twist here, as well as possible for when I go in to start twisting. And I'm mainly focusing this on the ends. And also you see me kind of pulling the hair just to ensure that the roots are tight. So I now go in and I start to twist. So I twist with I'm right-handed, so I kind of twist away from my face, and you just see me keep dipping back into that Shannon Jam here, particularly at the top, just to ensure that it blends as well as possible. And once I do this like once or twice, I just keep twisting until we reach the end of the twist. And these twists are really long. So the hair I got is 22 inches, but these are longer on me, like they reach me all the way down to my butt. So it did take a while to complete twisting everything, but yeah, the process is really quite simple. You just twist all the way to the ends. I'm going to show you again how I do it. So as I said, I start off by detangling my hair, and then after that I'm going to grab the crochet here. As I said, I use 2 strands for each twist that I do. I'm going to ensure that they're even or somewhat even at the ends. And then after that's done, I'm going in with my crochet needle and I am pushing it through the roots, and then I'm going to open that latch, and then I'm going to put the crochet hair in there and then close the latch and then pull my hair through. And then that loop right there, I'm going to basically open it a bit wider and then pull my hair and the crochet hair through to create that knot at the base. And then once the hair is through, I'm going to pull them apart, my hair and the crochet hair, to basically tighten and secure that knot. And once that's secure enough for me, I'm going to go ahead and fluff out the actual crochet hair. Once that's done, I am going to split my hair in 2 and then apply some shine and jam onto both pieces of my hair. As I said earlier, it's just to ensure that it blends as well with the crochet hair as possible. And once I am done with that, I am going to start twisting. guys, when I did this, it was so late. I basically had to finish up the next day. So in this clip, you see me basically finishing up. Altogether, it took me about 7 hours collectively to do my entire hair. So it wasn't that long to finish everything. Now I'm finally done. I had to step out for a bit to get to my lash appointment, but I'm back. And now I'm just gonna do my edges. I'm using the Goldwell edge control. Once I do my edges, I'm just gonna use these gold accessories that I got from the beauty supply store and just put them on some of my twists just to add an extra oomph to the hairstyle. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. So let me know what you think. This was my first time ever doing passion twists on myself. I think I did a pretty good job for my first time. Hopefully the more and more I do my hair myself, my parting gets better and I learn new tips and tricks. But yeah, I think the results are pretty good. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe down below. Share the video with a friend. Follow me on Instagram. And until next time, take care, guys.